Yeah, hi, and welcome to the Observatorio Vesuviano. Sezione di Napoli. Campi Flegrei, current state, yellow alert level. The surveillance system of the Vesuvian Observatory highlights some variations in the state of activity of the Phlegreian fields. So, obviously, things are on the rise in the action. During the month of January 2022 in the Campi Flegrei area, 260 earthquakes were recorded with a maximum magnitude around 2.5 magnitude, I guess, plus minus 0.3. Of these 227 events, about 87% of the total had a magnitude lower than 1.0. 8 events had a magnitude between 1 and 1.9. Only one event had a magnitude greater than or equal to 2. So, we might hop over to the Volcano Discovery application. And here we are. Minor earthquake near Naples, Italy. 3.8, which is significantly higher than the others we had earlier. This year, 1.9 also. And 1 kilometer in depth. Actually, we could check out what's the other one in depth. 10 kilometers. That's the average they always tell if there's not modern data. Volcanic unrest, highly explosive. And yeah, we want to be updated about these because you know why. We are talking about the Campi Flegrei, which is quite close to Pompeii. And there's actually between, now I have to switch to the other, otherwise you probably won't see it. We have a volcano here, 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 and also here, and earthquake activity in between. These are all obviously from yesterday, but nonetheless, Mater Domini. Yeah, this was not really difficult to read. There is something going on. And as we go farther north, we have also here, which is an earthquake hotspot in Italy, where we had this 6.0 some years ago. And if we go farther north, now let's switch back to the other one, so that you are aware of the Kaiserstuhl volcano, which is probably extinct. They're also having quakes, St. Georgen, and 15 kilometers in depth and 16 kilometers in depth. Which is really interesting. Furthermore, remember Grotte Prehistoric Park, where we had those dinosaurs and the cave? 9 hours ago, Saint-Légier, 4 kilometers in depth. How deep is this one? 6. So they are really shallow. And actually, these are all in this kind of really warm region. Geothermal activity is the reason for that. .3 in Algeria. Now let's just have a quick look at this one. Do we have any water veins there? I guess we have. I guess they're not too far away, so I guess we have there, but even though we cannot see. But let's put it like that. It is between two water bodies. That's an interesting shape. And we could 12 hours ago. Volcano. Quake. And in the Canary Islands, 11 hours ago, 26 kilometers in depth. 13. And that's a deeper too. 22 kilometers in depth. And on top of volcano, 3 kilometers in depth. So we have quite much seismicity going on. Weather occurrences in Europe, tornadoes in Poland and these kind of things. Greece, Turkey is rattling. I was making some videos about this region because somehow I expect there probably something going to happen 14 kilometers in depth. But until now, they're just somehow in this ring around that. Here is a hotspot of quakes. Here we have one. There's another one. Let's see how it will develop. It might all of a sudden take a jump in activity. So don't be surprised if there's something unexpected happening. But I leave it here. Campi, Flegrei and Canary Islands and Middle Europe volcanoes. The surroundings of them showing activity, which might just increase, I guess. But I leave it here. Thanks. Bye.